Laura has a question.
Hi, Mr. Shatner. How you doing?
Good. Yourself, Laura?
Pretty good.
Right into the microphone. Put that microphone. There you go.
Hi.
There you
I'm
go.
pretty good. My question, besides how you were, was how was it going up into space?
How was it up in space? So the question is this. Should I go into the detail? Because it was an enormous experience for me. But we have so much material here to say, because when I'm asked a question, I don't have time to really answer it. Exciting, empty, wonderful, wondrous, and then move on to what's for dinner. But a more lengthy answer, a briefer answer than what I usually give, but more extensive than exciting, is I read Rachel Carson's book, The Silent Spring, 60 years ago. She was writing about DDT, but had reference to the oncoming tsunami of what we all are facing in terms of global warming. She warned us then, 60 years ago, and I fell under that spell. And I've been an ecologist and preaching these things that we all now know long time ago. And so I've been aware of how ominous our condition is in the world. Now I'm up there. And I'm looking through the window and I'm seeing the black of space. And it's not filled with galaxies and twinkling stars and masses of dust, stardust. You don't see that from where I was. What you see is nothing. It's black, it's implacable, and it's cold. It's death. I saw death. When I looked back and I saw Earth with its beige desert colors and the whiteness of the clouds and the blue of the air, of the refractive air, I saw life. And then my next thought was, it's taken 5.8 billion years for all of us and all the things on our beautiful earth to evolve. It's taken all this time for life in all its mystical, magical, numerous forms. I saw film of worms and clams living in 600 degrees Fahrenheit water, right at the bottom of the ocean. I know that there are bacteria in rocks that come from outer space. There's stuff that's alive in the freeze of space. Life is burgeoning everywhere. Life demands to exist. And the life that is demanded to exist here on Earth, filling every crevice, every niche, slime that has intelligence enough to aim for the sun, slime is alive. And then you get to what we are supposed to be the highest evolution of life, with our wars and our hatreds and our jealousies, mixed in with our beautiful desire to know more, to bear witness to the beauty of the universe. And things are going extinct. Things that have evolved for 5.8 billion years are going extinct. And we don't know what they are because we've never seen them. Things, beautiful, sacred things on earth are disappearing. And we don't know what they are. We don't know where they came from. That magical thing, that everything that exists on earth is magical. And all that magic is disappearing in front of our eyes. That's what I saw in space, and that's what I was mourning when I came down. And I said, apparently, because I didn't know what I was saying when I landed, I don't want ever to forget what it is I saw and felt. And I've been talking about this since I landed. It's not that for the first time, it's just dramatically. I saw this little rock. I saw the outlines of a rock. I could go like that and do the circumference of the Earth. And then you look out into the vastness of space, unlimited. 13.8 billion years ago, there's a galaxy out there that the Hubble saw. What will the Webb see? Going 100 times further. I mean, the universe is limitless. We can't even begin, our little reptilian brains, to imagine the magic, the mystery of space. That's what I saw when I came down to Earth.
Everyone, this is sort of a perfect time